So hello everyone, welcome back to Ocheck Technology, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to set up autoresponder in cPanel. It's also known as vacation emails. It's a great feature if you want your email to automatically reply when you're away or just to acknowledge a message from clients immediately. So let's dive in and see how it is done. Always you first log into your cPanel. Mine, it's already logged in, and here's my dashboard. There are two ways in looking for your auto-respond on your dashboard. Either use your search tool and you type your auto, and then you have it at the first at the top. You could click here and go to the autoresponder page, or you search through the tools icon. Like this one for me is the file. Below it is the email. And then if you look through, you have your autoresponder here. Just click on it and you get to this page. Now this page, this is where you make your setup, because it allows you to manage automatic reply for all the email accounts under your domain. So if you've done before, they will all appear under here. By the time we do setup now, we're going to be seeing it appearing under here. So you come down to this add responder and you click on it. There are lots of fields, or few fields we're going to be filling in order to set this up. You have your character set, your interval, email, domain, which automatically pop up from, and then your subject, then your message. So we're going to be doing two types of responder. We'll do the one that will just automatically reply your emails, and we'll set up another one for vacation. That is a period of time you might not be available. So this character setup, it is always advisable for you to leave it at this UTF-8, as it supports all languages. It supports all language. There are different ones here, but this one supports all language, so you leave it here. The interval, it's how much time do you want it to stay before sending another auto reply to the same email address. For example, you could set it to 8 hours. It means if someone emails you twice in a short time, they will get one auto reply every 8 hours. As every 8 hours they get it. But if you set it to 0, it means that as they keep sending the email, they get that auto responder. Let's leave ours as 0. And then from which email? We want to set up one from our info at Ocheck Technology, and we're going to be saying from. Our from should just be Ocheck Technology support team. Let's leave it like this. And then what's going to be our subject? Our subject should just be something like this. Thank you, you for contacting Ocheck Technology. All right, then for the body. Now, if you're going to be, it's better you just leave this unchecked. But if you're going to be making use of HTML symbols, yes, you might want to check it so that when you put it in, it carry out the commands line you are putting in as a code. But you could just leave it like that. And then in the body, let's just write hello. Thank you for reaching out to Ocheck Technology. This is an automated confirming we have received your email. I think that's not possible. Yes, guys. So once you've inputted the content you want to put in as the body for your email, so now you could just create immediately. Now this start time means that this responder should start immediately and it should not stop. This one is just used to acknowledge mail. we will do another setup where we'll be looking at how to set up a vacation. Then we're going to be customizing our startup time and our stop time. So let's just create this and see what happens. Yeah, you successfully created the info architecture technology responder. Let's go back. So now you see we're already having this here, and the beautiful part of it is you can always come back to edit it to change the content. We always come back to change the content. Yes, probably you want to increase the interval of time it should respond, else you could just leave it like that. So that's that for this. Let's quickly do a mail. So I'm going to be going to one of my accounts and I'll be sending a mail from there. Dr. Info. Info to check technology. Testing auto responder. This is a test email. So we are sending it. So the email has been sent. Let's wait to see if we get our autoresponder. No response. So yeah, the email is come in already and it's saying thank you for contacting Check Technology. Hello. So if you look at it, this is exactly what we wrote there. So it's working and it's working fine. Let's go back to our cPanel and let us configure the one for vacation. So we'll click on add autoresponder. And this time we're also leaving this at 0 hour. Like I said, you could play with this, you could increase the hours. And then let's come, and then this time we're going to be using sales auto check technology, and we're going to be saying from sales department we'll check technology, and then the subject is going to be we are currently on vacation. So we're going to fix the body. I just copied that. So I'm just going to make few adjustments here. Hello, thank you for reaching out to the sales department. The sales department of Check Technology. We are currently on vacation. Full stop. So now we're kindly reach out to us through info@.com. So it's simple, it's straightforward. So here's where we want to work on for this section for vacation. You come to custom, time to start. So you fix the day. So when is the day for your vacation? Is it on Monday? Is it on Tuesday? But for this test purpose, we will retain this, and yes, let's take it. like this so that it will start immediately. And then when are we going to stop this? We want to stop it. You look for when are you resuming back. So you, on the date you are resuming back, you enter the day and you enter the time. Let's say 6 a.m. is when you want your mails to start coming in. So you create this one. Now let's go back. You've successfully created, yeah. So let's go back. You now have it. You have the one for sales and say we are currently on vacation. You can modify and edit it. So let's do another email test just to be sure that our emails are coming in. So we're sending this one now to sales at Ocheck Technology, and is also going to be a test email, and then we're doing testing vacation auto responder. So I'm going to send it in, and it's sent. Let's come back to our inbox and let's wait. Now let's refresh. All right, our mails are already dropping in, and now you can see this email is coming from the sales department, and it's written there, hello, thank you for reaching out to the sales department of Ocheck Technology. We are currently on vacation. Kindly reach out to us through this now. So the person will reach out to you based on what you have imputed as your auto respond. So far so good. We've already achieved both of them, and we've done a test. So before we wrap up this video, I'd like to share with us common mistakes and security tips that we need to take note of as beginners. Number one mistake is forgetting to set up a stop time for vacation reply. This can send unnecessary auto emails long after you are back. Make sure you deactivate your timer or set your timer to the date you are resuming. Second mistake, which is mistake 2, using personal or sensitive details in your auto reply. Keep it short and professional. Mistake 3, setting interval too long, which could flood your recipient with repeated messages. And that's the reason why we have that interval. You can set an interval for it. I didn't set interval for it. The reason is so that we can see the email coming in immediately. Here are some tips you should always have. Always test before going live. Number 2, keep your subject line clear. Avoid spamming words like congratulations or limited offer. Number 3, disable the autoresponder once it's no longer needed to keep your mailbox clean. And that is how to set up autoresponders in cPanel. Quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Ocheck Technology, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Comment below if there is any specific cPanel feature you would like me to explain next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.